She doesn't want to talk to you.
Portia, that sounds so impossible, okay? Because Maxine is practically obsessed with Seb. She would not do that.
I couldn't believe it either, Mom.
Madaling madala sa emosyon yan si Maxine. Kaya hindi ako magtataka kung anong pwede niyang gawin.
Iniwan niya rin to. To let you know that her decision is final.